and I'm excited to make her life a living hell. Rain is grace. Rain is the sky descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life. John Updike. Hey guys, it's Alex on the block, and welcome to a new video. So for the past few days, it has been raining so much and it's so chilly. And honestly, I have just been a potato in a sweater, just singing while working, or maybe just not doing anything at all. But yeah, that's been my life for the past few days. I've just been working on my shop and eating a lot of food. I've also been watching a lot of horror movies, so this one is Paranormal Activity, not that scary. And I've gotten some packages. I think a lot of people are online shopping these days.
Look, it's so cute. It's like a J-hook case. This one.
So even though I've been a potato, I still tried to work out, and I even bought this resistance band. But yeah, mostly I've just been eating and eating and eating a lot of good food. Nothing's wrong with that. Feeding your stomach as well as feeding your soul. So here I'm just eating some kimchi ramen. My favorite these days. And I've also been drinking cold green tea. Yeah, I'm a tea person now. Oh, and I also watched this documentary, which is The Social Dilemma, and I think it's very important to watch this. Oh my goodness, it's about social media and how it manipulates us basically. But yeah, it's amazing. It's so insightful. And then fast forward to today. So today is Sunday. Hey guys. So here I'm just trying to wake up. It's around 5:30 here. Starting the day with a hot beverage, hot chocolate, and some pandesal, which is Filipino breakfast buns, I guess, while watching Kiki's Delivery Service, one of my fave Studio Ghibli movies. And here I just remembered our old house that was overlooking the sea, and I just miss the sea so much. Stay healthy, everyone. And here I'm just lighting a candle because my hands were so cold and I wanted some heat for them. And I've just been reading on my laptop, which is weird but also refreshing. I don't know. As always, I've been using my bullet journal for to-do lists and stuff like that. And here is just like the Kindle app on my laptop, just to add notes and highlights. Good morning everyone, happy Sunday, and today is rest day, so I'm just reading a book, but differently because I'm reading it on the Kindle app on my laptop because I'm going to take notes for something that I'm doing. So yeah, rest day, it's chilly as well, although I'm wearing a tank top because chilly in a tropical country is just like probably hot for other countries. But yeah, it's chilly. I love it. I love when it's chilly. And today I'll just probably watch a movie, but also yeah, read a book, and I have a candle over here for cozy vibes. So for the past few days, I've also just been conceptualizing a book that I'm writing. Although I don't know if it's going to be published. Obviously, no one really knows if their book is going to be published. I don't even know if I'll be able to finish it, but it's a fun process, and it's fun to go back to writing books again because I did do that when I was in college and when I was in high school. So yeah, I just know my main character and like the overall idea of the book, and I'm excited to make her life a living hell. So yeah, essentially I just continued reading on my laptop, on the Kindle application on the laptop. And after a few minutes, I actually wore my cardigan because it was getting even colder. So yeah. And here I'm just dancing, very silly, embarrassing myself. But yeah, this is my life. This is what I do. So then my mom told me to go buy cat food, so I had to go on a bike run to the grocery store, which is like a few minutes from home, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's quite far, I guess. Goods secured. And then I debated on whether I should buy a yogurt drink. So when I got home, I just made iced tea. And then we watched BTS in the soup. We've been watching for a couple of days now. And again, can you guess what we're eating? Of course, kimchi ramen with extra gochujang. We also put pechay leaves and tofu and egg. Oh, I also bought the pechay from outside, from a random store, from a random vegetable stand. And this is tofu specifically for soup, so it's the soft tofu one. Other kinds don't taste that good. And then deja vu again, here I am having a difficult time with the freaking ladle, so I just use my chopsticks. And then I bit my chopsticks and my mom got angry and she got it from me. So we eat kimchi ramen with like extra kimchi on the side, so that's what I'm eating in the other bowl. From the other bowl, from the other bowl. And then after that, I just went on the hammock outside and just watched Corpse Bride, and I fell asleep. So life can be quite repetitive, especially now we're spending much more time inside. And yeah, it's just important to find simple joys in your everyday life, whether it be dancing like a freak, or just watching your favorite movie or a show, or just indulging with some good food. Stay safe and healthy, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye, guys.